Many people know who designed the VW Beetle, but far fewer know who made it go faster. Because these early VWs weren't built for performance. They were built to be simple, reliable, and fit for purpose. But one man looked at this humble engine and saw an untapped potential. Gerhard Oettinger. He's regarded as the original father of Volkswagen tuning and bringing motorsport thinking into street-legal engines. Through his system called Okrasa, he didn't just improve performance, he explored what it could become before VW did, and then made it work better, much better. Okrasa comes from Oettinger's company name. It's just a shortened version of a much longer German name, which is lucky for us. In the early 1950s, Oettinger could see that the humble 11 and 1200 engines were limited in how they breathed. He figured with more air in, more fuel to match, and a clearer path into the cylinders, this engine could really come to life. These early Okrasa setups began as a mild upgrade, adding up to 4 horsepower to the original 36, which doesn't sound like much, but on these small engines, that's roughly a 10% increase, which came from reworked cylinder heads, slightly higher compression, and carburetor jetting changes. The next stage took things further, with the introduction of dual carbs, newly designed heads, separate intake manifolds for each cylinder, and larger valves. Now the power increased to around 42 horsepower, a 15% increase from the original. By the mid-1950s, Oettinger wasn't just chasing performance, he was also chasing reliability and longevity. And the real breakthrough came with redesigned engine internals, including a counterweighted crankshaft, increased bore size, and a system built to work together. And that's where the real jump happened, taking these engines from mid-30s up into the mid-50 horsepower range, a 50% increase. The Okrasa method showed that what many saw as a simple little car had way more potential than it first appeared, and that quietly opened the door to something bigger. A whole culture formed around these engines, VW hot rodding and performance tuning, where people learned to take this humble air-cooled platform and push it further than anyone expected, into the 100 horsepower range, and well beyond in the right hands. So the next time you see a classic VW, don't be too sure there isn't something more going on under that lid, because sometimes the quiet ones have the most interesting stories to tell.